What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TTOO stock. First of all, brief information about this company. TTOO Biosystems engaged in the development of a proprietary technology platform. It offers the TTOO magnetic resonance technology, which enables rapid detection of pathogens, biomarkers and other abnormalities in a variety of unpurified patient sample types. Its products include TTOO bacteria panel, TTOO candida panel, TTOO DX instrument and T2MR technology. And on their website you can find all the necessary information about their products or their pipelines, and I will put all the links in the description below. But I want to pay attention on these two products. It is a fully automated T2DX instrument and the T2SARS COV2 panel. And these two products is, in my opinion, the most prominent products for now for this company. And let's switch to the Seeking Alpha. And here is the article that was published on February 24th, 2021. I want to quote you just a couple of paragraphs. The company anticipates Q4 revenue to reach $7.8 million, of which product revenue of $5.8 million. This means that product revenue is about to jump by 274% as compared to 2019. Full-year revenues are expected to rise by 118%, while Q4 annualized run rate per legacy instrument sold in 2020 is estimated to reach $265,000. As of the end of 2021, the company had $52.7 million in cash and cash equivalents, current and long-term marketable securities and restricted cash. I think it is a misspell, it is a 2020, as the end of 2020. The company is targeting mainly the US domestic market, but at the same time it is expanding slowly abroad. Its products are present in many countries such as UK, Spain, Greece, Sweden and others. In our opinion, this is a game changer not only in the sepsis and the identification, which was the primary focus, but in the rapid identification of bacteria in general and the subsequent target antibiotic therapies therefore. And we also know that the company sold 21 T2DX instruments in the fourth quarter, including 19 in the United States. And they sold 53 T2DX instruments in 2020, including 47 in the US, more than doubling the US installed base in 2020. And here is the link of the source. I think it is a great company with great potential. And here is the institutional investors. As you can see, there are more green lines than the red ones. This means many of institutional investors they are buying this stock, and only these latest feelings we don't know, either they reduce their position or they buy their position. I think it is still buying because it is very attractive price for now for this company, and I will switch to the technical analysis in a minute. But first of all, the flip side of the coin, I think it is not a good information, but nevertheless it is what it is. TTOO Biosystems CFO sells $10,710 in stock. It is not a big stake of the company and it is not a big stake of his shares. Nevertheless, it is what it is. CFO sold 5,250 shares, and I think it shouldn't affect in a bad manner this company. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. So, my previous video was made right around February the 14th, somewhere here, and I encourage you to wait until the breakout or breakdown will occur. And my primary focus was that this formation usually breaks to the downside, and as you can see, it broke to the downside, and we can see the exact movement as I drawn, but this movement almost eliminate all of the Elliott wave breakdown that I made before. We cannot retrace the fourth wave on the territory of the first one. This means we eliminate this wave as a second, it is a false wave, and that's why I think we have to wait until the market reveals itself, and I will have more information, and then I will do another update on my Elliott wave breakdown. So for now, let me start from scratch, and let me just do some measurements of the retracements. So I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of this run up to the very top, as you can see here, and here you can see that we bounce from the 0.65 and 0.618 region. It is a golden pocket. It is the most probable zone of trend reversal, and from this point we bounce back, and now we are hovering right in the middle, a little bit lower than the middle of 0.5 and 0.618 region. In my opinion, it is a good time to invest in this company. I'm sure that this company will be successful in near future, and they moved their earnings report from the February 16th. I guess it should took place on February the 16th, but for now it is on March the 4th, and as I already mentioned, they expected amazing results on Q4 and on full year 2020, and that's why I think it will be a huge catalyst for the company, for the price of this company to go to the upside. And that's why I think it is a great point to invest in this company. Basically, you can add your position right here as an investor, and if we go lower, it totally possible. Nothing is impossible in trading, and that's why it's possible but less probable. And nevertheless, here is your first entry point, and here might be your second less possible entry point. And from this standpoint, I can even suggest you a trade, and let me show you a little bit closer. Here we have a sell-off, and then we bounce back, and now we have a retracement of this wave. And this is the perfect entry point to enter the position. Let me measure this wave from the bottom to the top. And as you can see, we are right around 0.65 level. Again, it is the best point to trend reversal. It is not so indicative, but nevertheless, from this point you might enter your long position, and your stop loss will be slightly below previous pivot point, and it will be around 10%. And the next major target, of course, as usual, will be some support levels, and I think the next support level will be at $1.7 roughly. It is a previous peak. And let me project more targets from this point, and let me make it like this. I take a Fibonacci extension tool, pull it from the bottom of the run to the top of the run, and project the retracement. Here we have some targets. I don't need this retracement anymore. If you want to trade more aggressively, your next possible entry point will be exactly the same, and you will have exactly the same stop loss, about 10%. But your target will be at 0.786. It is the most conservative target. Next one will be at 1-to-1 extension, and the most aggressive target will be at 1.618. So for the first target you will have around 92%. To second target it will be around 120%, and about 200% it will be to your third target. I think it is very a good company, and basically I suggest to invest in this company. But here is my two setups, as you can see, and basically for now I think that's it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this before, and hit the like button. See you guys next time. Bye.